Welcome to our new video. This time, we're talking about the importance of managing customer complaints. With the Wismatix QMS Customer Complaints module, you can efficiently manage feedback through clear tracking and real-time updates, transforming every complaint into an opportunity to build trust and boost customer satisfaction with actionable insights. Let's jump into the demo version to see how easy creating a new customer complaint report is. First, we begin by clicking on the Customer Complaints section in the main menu. Here we're looking at the details of the report, including the customer's name, order number, the reported date, type of complaint, and the designated process that will be followed. Additionally, Wismatix QMS users can fully customize the types of processes to fit the specific needs of their business in the Process module. For this example, we'll use a customer complaint about a TV with a flickering screen, where we, as the manufacturer, are responsible for resolving the issue. We'll start by giving a title to the report, summarizing the main issue. Then we'll describe the customer's concerns in detail, including more specifics. To provide more context and support, additional files such as photos can be attached to better illustrate the record. In our case, the issue causing the TV screen to flicker is still under investigation. We now have a new open customer complaint record. Different segments can be updated and edited as the case progresses to keep all information up to date. Here's how the picture of the TV would pop up in the system, giving us a clear view to look into the problem. The Risk Analysis tab allows us to add more product details and evaluate the likelihood of the issue reoccurring. Next, in the Preventive Actions segment, we outline specific solutions to address potential risks and prevent similar issues from arising in the future. In addition to preventive actions, we can also suggest broader improvements to the entire process, which are stored in the Improvements module. The next stage involves estimating the quality costs related to the TV issue. This can include direct expenses such as the specific cost of replacement parts or indirect costs, like the labor hours required to carry out inspections and repairs. These quality cost records are also stored in the Quality Costs module, ensuring that all related expenses are documented for future reference. As a final step, we can generate and print a detailed PDF report of all our actions. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this overview of the Wismatix QMS Customer Complaints module has been useful. For more updates and insights, don't forget to follow us on our social media channels. We look forward to seeing you again soon.